Good morning students. For the virtual online class of Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College, Kurla, West Mumbai 70. For the computer subject of lesson 2, searching information on the internet. Let's begin with the lesson with the very first topic. What is the internet? The internet is a network of millions of computers around the world connected to each other. These computers are linked together and they can communicate with each other and can share information. When you are on internet, your computer is connected to others by networks of telephone wires, cable connection and satellite. Students, the internet is an increasingly important part of everyday life for people around the world. The internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the internet, it's possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the internet, which is also called going online. When someone says computer is online, it's just another way of saying it's connected to the internet. Now let's see students, World Wide Web, that is WWW. The World Wide Web is commonly known as WWW or Web. The World Wide Web is a part of the Internet. It is the collection of millions of pages of information. This information includes text, pictures, animations, sounds and videos. The interlinked pages are called web pages. Students, WWW that we have seen, WWW stands for World Wide Web. A technical definition of the World Wide Web is all the resources and users on the internet that are using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. In simple terms, the World Wide Web is a way of exchanging information between computers on the internet, tying them together into a vast collection of interactive multimedia resources. Now, hyperlinks. You can view web page that may contain text, images, videos, etc. With the help of the browser, you can navigate between them using special links called hyperlinks. Navigating means moving around the website by clicking on the clickable region of the website. These are called hyperlinks. For example, you may click on Contact Us hyperlink to visit the Contact Us page on the Cambridge University. Visit www.cambridgeindia.org. You can see the website and you can see or you can execute the several hyperlinks, the clickable regions of the web page or of the website to move on the similar pages or the next pages of same website. Students, let's see. A hyperlink is an element in an HTML document that links to either another portion of the document or to another document altogether. On web pages, hyperlinks are usually colored purple or blue and are sometimes underlined. A hyperlink can be thought of as an interface that links a source to a target. Clicking the hyperlink at the source will navigate to the target. Hyperlinks can assume any of the following appearances, such as hyperlinks can be text, images, URLs or any control, for example button or image or any control. A web page or web page is a document commonly written in HTML that is viewed in an internet browser. A web page can be accessed by entering a URL address into a browser's address bar. A web page may contain text, graphics, and hyperlinks to the other web pages and files. Now, a web page. This is the page contains a large amount of information like text, graphics, and sounds which we view while browsing through the internet. Students, a web page is often used to provide information to viewers, including pictures or videos to help illustrate important topics. A web page may also be used as a method to sell products or services to viewers. Multiple web pages make up a website, like your Computer Hope website. Now students, website. It is a collection of web pages containing related information. Web pages are interlinked through hyperlinks. Moving from one website to another is known as net surfing. For example, google.com, discovery.com, cambridge.org. Students, see here, there is a very much big difference between web pages and website. Web page can be a single web page, and website is what the collection of several interrelated web pages. Okay, now let's see students, a site or website is a central location of web pages that are related and accessed by visiting the home page of the website using a browser. For example, the Computer Hope website address URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. This address, students, the URL address or the website address you must have seen. For example, you must have seen, students, http://www.computerhope.com. From our home page, you could get access to any of the web pages contained in our website. That's all for the day, students. That's all for this session. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Be safe and stay home. We'll meet in our next video soon.